Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another Sheetify tutorial. Today's focus is to show you how you can use the recently released Google Vids, which is an AI video creation app that anyone with a paid Google Workspace account can access. Basically, with Google Vids, you can create presentation style videos by using templates and AI-powered tools. This app allows you to create custom videos from your browser. No need to download any video editing tools. I've found Google Vids incredibly useful as a Canva alternative for creating video presentations, explainers, marketing, product, and team videos. It's incredibly easy to use for anyone. Okay, so let's dive in and create our video. To arrive here on Google Vids, simply head over to your browser and type in docs.google.com/videos. Or inside your Google Workspace account, navigate up to Google Apps, then locate Google Vids down here. And that's going to open up this interface. Now this video creation app is powered by Gemini. So what we want to do is add a prompt that describes the type of video that we want to create. And you can also include files from your Google Drive. For example, create a product video for our product, Sheetify CRM, and use product information from, and as you can see, I linked this document, Sheetify CRM product info. Also, this video is for potential new customers. Now we can also choose from templates, record a video, as well as upload a video. However, it's best to get started with a prompt and use Gemini AI to help us get started. And as you can see, we have a generated outline that we can customize. And we can do that soon. Let's navigate down and click on next. Here we can start designing our video using a pre-made template. Simply hover over each template to preview what it looks like. I like the look of this one up here. Here we can preview the different video sections. And once you've previewed each of these different video sections, we can then create the draft video and start customizing our video. Give Gemini AI a moment to generate your video. Hey, just quickly before we get back into this tutorial, if you're getting value from this video, please drop a like and subscribe. This means a lot to me and ultimately helps us reach and help more small business owners across YouTube. Thank you in advance, and with that quick note, let's jump back into this video. And just like that, our product video has been generated. Down here you can see our video is about 2 minutes long. And across here we have the different scenes. To preview the video, simply click on play, and we can watch a preview of what this video will look like. Now we can customize each of these different elements that you can see on this video. We can also customize the different transitions between each of these different video scenes. Now we can also make them longer if we like, and we can add our own videos, we can also add our own audio, and we can also add elements from the right hand side. Okay, let's go ahead and pause this and click on this first scene. Then navigate up here and double click to add your own content to the content box. I'm happy with that. I can also drag this down and move this entire box up. I'm going to make this text smaller by navigating up here and simply reducing the size of this text. I can also play around with these other formatting options. Okay, so I'm happy with that. We can also click on these other different elements on each of the different scenes, and I can change the animation of these different elements. We can simply preview each of these different animations by hovering over each animation. I like the look of this scale one. Then we also have a video here. If I double click, if I navigate up here and click on select a video, I can upload my own video. For example, I'm going to use this video here and then double click and drag this. Okay, I'm happy with that. And then double click out of here, click here. I can also navigate down to playback settings and change the settings over here. I can also edit the sound. Here we have the sound options for this video. And then we have formatting options. If I want to replace this video again, I can simply click on replace video and upload a new video to replace this video. I can create an image with AI, find images and videos from my drive, use stock media, or I can go ahead and record a new video and add that directly inside my product explainer video. Okay, so I'm happy with this scene. Let's navigate over to the next scene, which is introduction. I'm going to navigate across to the next scene, and here we have 2 video elements. Again, what I can do is click here and upload a video to replace this video and this video here, or I could record a new video. Now over on the right hand side, here we can create an image using AI. For example, man working on a computer looking excited and wearing a purple suit. I want to generate a square image. I can choose the style, photography, and click on create. And Gemini will generate AI images that I can use in my video. For example, I like this. And then I can go ahead and insert and replace this video here with this image. I'm going to click on insert and delete this and move this over here and drag out the sides. And I'm happy with that. Again, I can change the text here and again play around with the different formatting options. Hey guys, just quickly before we get back to this video, I just want to mention my Sheetify CRM, an all-in-one business toolkit and CRM built with Google Sheets and designed for Google users. You can simply manage leads, customers, tasks, engage in email marketing, manage your inventory, tickets, and more. The great part is I've made this Sheetify CRM a one-time payment, no subscriptions, unlimited access, and future updates. If you're interested in learning more, you can find the link to my Sheetify CRM down below in the description. Okay, so with that covered, let's go ahead and get back to this video. Now, if we navigate back over to the right-hand side, we can change the template if we like, and that's going to change the video template. If I navigate down to text, we can add these different text elements, as well as these basic text elements up here. You can see how this can be an alternative to tools like Canva. Okay, so what I can do is click on headlines, and let's say I wanted to add this element. And that's going to add this text element inside this video scene. We can change the size, then simply double click and change the text. Okay, so I'm actually going to delete this. Then we can navigate down further. We can also add shapes if we like. Then down here, we can search for stock media like videos, images, and music to add to our videos. We can also add stickers, sound effects, GIFs, and locate Google images. Below this, we can quickly access media inside our Google Drive. And then down here, we can go ahead and record a video. Maybe I want to create a product introduction to this video. I can use my camera and quickly record a video. I can also use screen and camera, record just a screen, as well as a voiceover for each of my different scenes. Then down here, we can also add a script. And the powerful thing is we can use AI to generate a voiceover, or we can record ourselves and add our own voiceover. However, how cool is that? You can generate a voiceover using AI. So again, what you want to do is navigate through each of these different scenes, simply click on the different elements and make your changes. With each element, you can also change the animation, auto fit the text, and play around with the different formatting options over here on the right hand side and up above. If we navigate down here, we can show all timing or show timing for selected. If we show timing for selected, we can click on the different elements, and that's going to show you the timing of each of those elements. Again, if I navigate over here and click on this block or item, this video item, you can see how long the duration is of that item, and you can change it if you like. Again, this item and this item. Let's close out of this. You can also navigate over to each of these transitions. These are transitions between scenes. If you want to change this transition between scenes, simply click on the option that you like. You can also change the transition duration and the direction. When you're happy with your changes, simply navigate up to play. And that's going to allow you to watch your video, preview your video, see what changes you need to make before you download that video and share that video with your team or customers. You can then use this video in your different marketing materials. You can embed it on your website, or add it across your other different channels. However, that is a brief introduction on how you can get started with Google Vids, a powerful video creation tool that uses templates and AI-powered tools. If you have any questions about this Gemini AI video creation app, make sure to pop those down below. However, that is it for this brief tutorial. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to this channel, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.